Welcome to another video from the Linux Shed. In this video we're going to go over how to recover your username, your password and your email address from a WordPress install. So say you no longer have your password, you no longer have access to your email account that you used to log in, and you forgot your username. All we need is access to your web hosting control panel. So we'll start off with logging into our test WordPress install. So I'm going to go to my domain name /wp-admin, and then it'll redirect me to the login page. So in here, I don't know my email address, I'm not sure what my username is, and I definitely don't know my password. If you click lost your password, again it's asking for the username we no longer have or the email address we no longer have. So what we need to do is log into our web hosting control panel. So I'm not sure what hosting you'll use, but if you will have a control panel to be able to manage all your web hosting stuff, like your email address, your databases and things like that. So mine is my domain name / cPanel. So in here I'm just going to put my username in and my password to my control panel. Once logged in, on the left hand side or down the middle you should see databases. If it's not under databases, you can search in most control panels, and we're looking for phpMyAdmin, and there it is. Once you find that, click on that, and then it may ask you to log in again, it may not. Once we're logged in, on the left hand side look for your username of your web hosting provider, and then you need to find your database. So this is a database we're working with. If you've got more than one, just make sure you're editing the right one. And then we're looking for the table WP users. Click on that, and this will give us the information we need. So this tells us the login, the username, tells us the email address we need, and it also tells us the password in a hash format, but we're not going to be using that. What we're going to do is we're going to change the email address from our old address that we no longer have access to, and we're going to put an email address we do have access to in. So we can either double click here and change it, but it's quite small, or we can click on edit and we can edit the values in here. So our email address is test@test.com, which we don't have access to. So what we'll do, we'll change that to just a test email account, and then we'll save that by scrolling down and going to go. Once we've done that, we will now be able to go back to our WordPress forgotten password, refresh that, and then we can enter our email address we've just put into the table, and then click get new password. And now that will send us an email with the recovery link. We'll click on that recovery link, and then we'll be able to add a new password, and then we'll know our username, we'll have our password, and we'll know the email address we use, and then we can keep them safe. So hopefully that helped. If you got stuck with anything or you're not sure what to do, then please leave a comment. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are if you do need some web hosting, then leave a comment as well. It's something that we can provide for you as well in the future. If you do have WordPress, or you want to host any websites, we do offer web hosting as well. So hopefully that helped everyone, and yeah, we'll hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.